Welcome to The Short End, a collection of audio kid books. This is a short end presentation of How to Make a Ninja Laugh. Wordplay Groundhog presents Copyright 2022, all rights reserved, book designed by Kate, I think it's Kate, it's not Cat, ISBN 979-8838194510, published by Wordplay Groundhog, wordplaygroundhog.com. How to Make a Ninja Laugh, a Wordplay Groundhog book. Do you know how ninjas say hello? Hiya, hiya. Do you know how do you make a ninja laugh? With punch lines. What do you call two ninjas? A pair of sneakers. How do ninjas like their pizza? With extra slices. Why are ninjas never afraid of the dark? The dark is afraid of ninjas. Why do ninjas never lose their socks? Because nothing can hide from a ninja. Why did the ninja have to miss school? The ninja had kung flu. What ocean animals do ninjas love the most? The swordfish and starfish. Why did the chicken cross the road? It was safer than crossing a ninja. What do you call a sheep that does karate? Lamb chop. How do you throw a surprise party for a ninja? You don't. A ninja surprises you first. What is a ninja's favorite drink? Fruit punch. Why did the ninja want to try football? Just for kicks. They mean soccer football, not football in the States, okay. Ninja! More fun books by Wordplay Groundhog. How to make an astronaut laugh. How to make a unicorn laugh. How to make a robot laugh. How to make a penguin laugh. How to make a pirate laugh. And how to make a koala laugh. Are you seeing a trend here? I'm seeing a trend here. All more fun books at Wordplay Groundhog. wordplaygroundhog.com. Thank you very much. This is the end of the book, and this is the back cover. If you want to find out more, go to wordplaygroundhog.com. Thank you for joining us at The Short End. Oops, wrong button.